Jai and dear students, I Akash Verma. Welcome you all on my YouTube channel and classes. Students, today I am going to explain you about the most important topic of the polynomial. In previous video, I explained you about graphical representation of linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. If you have not watched that video, please watch that video, then after come on this topic. Systematically study the things, then you will be able to understand. So I am going to explain you about the relation between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. What do you know about zeros and coefficient? Zeros means the value which makes the polynomial zero. Zeros are the values which makes the polynomial zero. Suppose that there is a polynomial 2x plus 4 बराबर 0. If you will write at the place of x minus 2, it will become 0. It will become 0. It will become 0. Here minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Here minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Another example I am telling. P of x is equal to x square minus 4. I am taking. You study P of x. P of x. इसका मतलब होता है कि P कोई मशीन है, उसमें x को डाला गया है. तो P के मशीन में x को जब डाला गया तो उसकी वैल्यू ये आ रही है x स्क्वायर माइनस 4. अगर P की जगह हम लोग माइनस 2 डालेंगे, x की जगह माइनस 2 रखेंगे, तो ये आपका हो जाएगा माइनस 2 का स्क्वायर माइनस 4, यानी ये 4 माइनस 4 0, यानी P माइनस 2 की वैल्यू क्या आ गई अब 0. तो माइनस 2 विल बी द 0 of the polynomial, which makes the polynomial zeros. So students, in class 9th already you have learned about the linear polynomial. Zero of the linear polynomial is minus b by a. ये होता है जीरो पॉलिनोमियल का, सॉरी लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल का जीरो. बट इन दिस क्लास we are going to study about the relation between zeros and coefficient of a quadratic polynomial, which is asked in your examination and important also. So let us see. Let alpha and beta, these are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. It is known as alpha and this is beta. If alpha, gamma will also come if there is cubic polynomial. Alpha and beta, मान ले रहे हैं कि alpha and beta are zeros of a polynomial, quadratic polynomial you can say, ax square plus bx plus c. Means alpha and beta इसके इस क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल के जीरोस हैं, यानी ये अल्फा और बीटा अगर इसमें रख रहे हैं तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जा रही है, जीरो हो जा रही है. देन अल्फा प्लस बीटा, स्टूडेंट्स अल्फा प्लस बीटा विल बिकम माइनस बी बाई ए, या यू कैन से सम ऑफ इट्स जीरोज, सम ऑफ its zeros. Minus b by a, from here you can see coefficient of x minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. From here you can see. So at the place of minus b by a, you can write minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. This clear, students? Coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Another relationship, product of its zeros. That is alpha into beta. That will become c by a. What is c? This is constant term. In quadratic polynomial, c is constant term. The constant term upon coefficient of x square. This is very important fact. You learn it. One more case I am telling you, second point. If alpha plus beta means sum of its zeros and product of its zeros are given, then what will be the quadratic polynomial? पूछता है स्टूडेंट्स ये कि अगर सम ऑफ इट्स जीरोज का मतलब अल्फा प्लस बीटा की वैल्यू कभी कभी दे देता है और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स जीरोज यानी अल्फा इंटू बीटा की वैल्यू दे देता है और आपसे पूछता है कि राइट द क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल। तो क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल स्टूडेंट्स हो जाता है आपका एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा इंटू एक्स प्लस अल्फा बीटा बराबर जीरो। यहाँ पे सम ऑफ इट्स जीरोज की वैल्यू लिखते हैं और यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स जीरोज की वैल्यू लिखते हैं और क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल आपका बन जाता है। ये दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट है। इससे बेस्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आपके एक्सरसाइज में वो मैं करा दे रहा हूं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। जो क्वेश्चंस हैं आप एक बार फिर से देख लीजिए। इसे क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल का भी बताएंगे हम आपको। तो पहले आज क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल देख लेते हैं। वंस अगेन आई एम रिवाइजिंग इट। If alpha and beta, what is alpha, what is beta? These are the zeros of the polynomial, which makes the polynomial zero. Are zeros of a polynomial? Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Then sum of its zeros alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a. What is b? Coefficient of x. What is a? Coefficient of x square. Product of its zeros alpha into beta, that is equal to c by a. What is a constant term? What is a coefficient of x square? This is the second point. If sum of its zeros alpha plus beta and alpha beta are given, then what will be the quadratic polynomial? In that case you will use this. So let us start the questions based on it. Students, first question is given. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Zeros of a quadratic polynomial x square plus 3x minus 10 and verify the relation between its zeros and coefficients. Okay students, here it is given, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. So this is the quadratic polynomial, x square plus 3x minus 10. This is the quadratic polynomial. You have to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. It's clear students? So we will assume it is any polynomial. Px is equal to x square plus 3x minus 10. Now factorize it by splitting, method of splitting middle term. This is minus 10. We will take our two numbers whose product is equal to 10, and difference of those two numbers will become 3. So here it is clear, that will be 5 and 2. 5 to the 10 and 5 minus 2, that will be 3. So at the place of 3x you will write 5 minus 2x minus 10. X square plus 5x minus 2x. Minus 10. So x will be common, so x plus 5 from here, minus 2 will be common, x plus 5. X plus 5 again it is common from here, then in another bracket it will be x minus 2. दूसरे bracket में x minus 2 हो जाएगा. So it is given here, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. तो whatever the value is given here, उसको हम 0 के equal रखेंगे. Px will equal to 0. Then Px की वैल्यू क्या आई है, फैक्टराइज करने पर x plus 5 x minus 2. तो x plus 5 और x minus 2 will equal to 0. तो x plus 5 एक बार 0 होगा, तो x will equal to minus 5 स्टूडेंट्स, एंड इन सेकेंड x will equal to 2. तो दो वैल्यूज आ गई x की, एक minus 5 और दूसरा 2. दिस इज अल्फा, दिस इज बीटा. इट्स क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? तो its zeros are minus 5 and 2. Now you have to verify the relation between its zeros and coefficients. So you have to verify the relations between its zeros and the coefficients. Then what will you do? What will you do? Now अब क्या करेंगे, जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, अल्फा प्लस बीटा that is equal to minus b by a. Yeah, you can write coefficient of x minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. अब इसको वेरीफाई करना है कि दोनों सेम है. तो व्हाट विल यू डू, अल्फा और बीटा की वैल्यू जो आई है उसको रखेंगे minus 5 plus 2, और यहां से इसका कंपेयर करेंगे ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c से. तो a की जगह स्टूडेंट्स आपका 1 है, और b की जगह आपका है 3, और c की जगह स्टूडेंट्स minus 10 है. तो देखिए दोनों LHS RHS बराबर आ रहा है, then it will be verified. तो minus b means minus 3 और a is 1. तो minus 5 plus 2, this will be minus 3 बराबर minus 3. Sum of its zeros has been verified. अब now we will see product of its zeros. Okay students, so let us see. Alpha into beta, that is equal to c by a. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. So alpha beta, what is the value of alpha? That is minus 5, beta is 2. So this will students, c is minus 10 and a is 1. So you can see this is also minus 10, this is also minus 10. Now it has been verified. Verify the relation between zeros and coefficient. Like this you will do the questions. Okay, I hope it is clear. Let us see another questions. Should I rough it? If you have written, then I will rough it. Okay students, do the sums from exercise 2.2 from NCERT. Another question, question number 2, which is given in NCERT, I am telling you also. Find the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial the sum of zeros, the sum of whose zeros is 5/2 and their product is 1. Product is 1. Let us see students, how will you solve it? Find the quadratic polynomial, the sum of whose zeros. Students, it's clear. The sum of whose zeros means alpha plus beta. That is 5/2. It is given. And product is 1. And their product means alpha beta, that is equal to 1. Find the quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? It is asking. I told you already. If alpha plus beta means sum of its zeros and product of its zeros are given, then how will you find the quadratic polynomial? I told you already. तो उसी पे बेस्ड है ये, तो करेंगे. When alpha plus beta and alpha beta are given, then quadratic polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. I told you students. So what will be the quadratic polynomial? X square minus alpha plus beta, that is 5/2, x plus alpha beta, that is 1. It's clear? Now simplify it. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 बराबर 0. Take the LCM of denominator. It will clear. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. I hope the things which I have explained, it is clear. So, exercise 2.2 of NCERT you will do. Let me explain the questions also from there. स्टूडेंट्स, एक्सरसाइज 2.2 जो क्वेश्चंस दिया है, पहला फाइंड द जीरोस ऑफ द quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficient. First question which I have explained, on the basis of that the question first is given here. पहला क्वेश्चन जो एक्सरसाइज 2.2 का है वो आपका इस तरह से x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x माइनस 8. जैसे मैंने बताया आपको, पहले इसको स्प्लिटिंग मिडिल टर्म से सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, फिर कर देंगे. सेकंड भी वही है. एट द प्लेस ऑफ x इट इज गिवन हियर 4s स्क्वायर माइनस 4s प्लस 1. तो x की जगह s दिया हुआ है, तो इसको भी आप देख सकते हैं. थर्ड वन 6x स्क्वायर माइनस 3 माइनस 7x. ये भी आप अरेंज कर लीजिए इसे. 6x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस 3. स्प्लिटिंग मिडिल टर्म से पहले इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लीजिए. वॉट एवर द वैल्यू ऑफ x यू आर गेटिंग, दैट विल बी द अल्फा एंड बीटा, और वेरीफाई करना है. इन फोर्थ वन आई एम वॉचिंग हियर 4u स्क्वायर प्लस 8u. इट इज वेरी इजी. इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड द जीरोस ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल हियर, then how will you find? Suppose that this is pu 4u square plus 8u. pu for 0 of polynomial, pu will become 0. It means 4u square plus 8u will equal to 0. You can write 4u square is equal to minus 8u. Okay students. Wait, sorry. 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. From here you can take 4u as a common. So here it will be u plus 2 is equal to 0. 4u will equal to 0, then u will equal to 0. Another, if u plus 2 is equal to 0, then u will equal to minus 2. So these are the two values, 0 and minus 2, which are alpha and beta. Now you have to verify it. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, or alpha beta is equal to c by a. Here you can see this is x square, this is x, and constant term is not given here. At that place you can take 0. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to 8, and c is equal to 0. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So alpha is 0 and beta is 2. Minus b by a, this will be minus 8 upon 4. Okay students. 0 plus 2, sorry यहाँ minus 2 है, गलत हो गया. This will be minus 2. 4 to 8, minus 2 will equal to minus 2. It has been cleared. Alpha beta is equal to c by a students. So alpha beta, that is 0 into 2, c by a. What is the value of c? That is 0. A is 4. So 0 will equal to 0. It has been verified. यहाँ से देख सकते हैं अल्फा प्लस बीटा, अल्फा बीटा वेरीफाई हो गया. ठीक है, तो ऐसे कर सकते हैं आप क्वेश्चंस को. सेकंड वाला तो बिल्कुल आसान है, जिसमें आपका सम ऑफ इट्स जीरोस एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स जीरोस आर गिवन and you have to find the quadratic polynomial. Already I have explained about this. Okay students, I hope it is clear, you are understanding this. Whatever the doubts will be there, you can ask. Okay? Okay students. So do the questions and ask your doubts. We will meet in next class.